Hot? Cold? Drought? Where's the normal weather? Much of the world has been experiencing extreme weather conditions. It seems to be getting more severe every year. January and early February experienced some of the coldest temperatures and largest snowstorms in several parts of the United States, Europe, and Asia. Many parts of the U.S., especially the Midwest and Northeast, had record-breaking low temperatures. People were advised to stay warm and indoors to avoid frostbite. Several places had school closures due to the snowstorms and cold. Kids were happy to miss school, but often had to shovel snow instead. The cold even caused parts of beautiful Niagara Falls to freeze along the way down into spectacular ice flows and icicles. Great for photographers. As you sports fans may know, the NFL playoff game between the Green Bay Packers and the San Francisco 49ers was played at Lambeau Field in Wisconsin and created a new record for the coldest game ever played. The game was played at a temperature of 4 degrees Fahrenheit, and the low was minus 14 degrees with the wind chill. Wind chill is a measure of how cold it feels when factoring in the wind. The cold weather is being attributed to a weather phenomenon known as the Polar Vortex. A polar vortex is not especially unusual. It brings cold air from the Arctic south. However, it was much larger in size this year. The reason? Scientists theorize it may be due to warmer air on the Arctic, a result of climate change. Warmer air in the Arctic can cause the polar vortex to expand in size and as a result bring more severe cold waves. Brrr! While the northern hemisphere is reeling under the severe cold weather, countries in the southern hemisphere are seeing an extreme heat wave. Now, it's important to remember it's summer down there when it's winter up here. But even so, Australians are preparing for forest fires, and people are being told to stay away from the beaches. Away from beaches in the summer, can you imagine? The heat there is so bad that players and ball boys at the recent Australian Open tennis championships were treated for hallucination. It was so bad, even the plastic water bottles were melting. Climate change seems to be affecting weather patterns severely everywhere. The snowstorms, blizzards, severe hurricanes, heat and cold waves, and droughts may become a norm. Now that's scary. More effort needs to be made to reduce climate change. Ride more bikes, carpool, waste less, and recycle more. You can help. Every little bit does.